Good day from New York. Today, spiritual communication finds faith and love, our nature and destiny. All you are is a gift of love. The image of the divine consciousness is the primal communication of virtue, born of consciousness itself, which is a feedback loop of relationships existing before time was born. This communication of virtue depends upon empathetic communication using creativity, objectivity, and compassion. From these, the virtues were born, which formed the personality of Godhead. Reality communicates within itself to itself. It is very much alive and hungry for experiences. All of existence and life are actively mirroring in instant feedback loops that are a music lifting love and providing the meaning of all that exists. In the beginning, I prayed for wisdom and sought in many religions the direction to the divine. What joined them all together and all of life was love, sacrificial love. This love is the image of the divine in us. It transcends time itself in the form of our inner artist, the watcher and the fan of the life story of each of us, our dearest friend, and our connection to purpose and transcendent bliss. From Christianity to Buddhism to Sanatana Dharma to Sufi Islam, I sought the journey of the mystics, and in Christianity I had my truest mystic encounter. I met the divine presence of those who experienced near-death experiences. The words came in beautiful demonstration of the true reality and core of existence, love. When we reflect within our minds, communicating within ourselves from one point of view to another, and in a loving way, we are on the mystic journey to relationship with the divine. The channel's message is love, and that virtues come from it through empathetic communication, creative, objective, compassionate, and awareness and expression of their roots, play, focus, and expression of need. All mystics of love are welcome here. All who put faith that love is the ultimate goal and journey of life. Politics is not off the table of options in which we express that faith. Love is all we need to understand. All the rest falls into place as we go. Love is the answer. Faith in it is the path, and the practice of it is the journey. We are amazing because we're born of sacrificial love, the love that transcends all dramas in life. Evil itself sings glory to the victory of love as it transforms into the birth of new heavens as it dies. And the world is blessed because our righteousness is born of faith and love. And in the growing of love's virtues, we find it fulfilled that the just shall live by faith. We are all mystics, some waiting to find a spark of the glory of love, some awakening to it, and some relishing in its warming glow, and some teaching the path and reveling in its humble power. walking with the divine. Within us lives our inner artist, singing virtue from a heaven above time to our inner kid, and awakening the egoless infant mind that gives us power over those who would trap us in who they tell us we are. We are greater than any name. It is the inner kid that walks with our inner artist in a world it creates from love. The inner artist also reaches into our dramatic timeline, our story, as our inner counselor and our inner caregiver. Our inner counselor guides us into a more meaningful future, and our inner caregiver into a healing of our past. Believe in love, find your journey. Hear your higher love calling. And please subscribe. Until next time.